Hi everyone. I want to share with you how to trace a switch to power your Sump Pump by using the inverter and battery backup. Before you start, you need to trace a switch and uh, two power cord. So that two power cord you need to cut it in half. You put on lens and put on uh, where your distance between your outlets and your transit switch and the sump pump. But for receivable diagram or picture, you just use these two power code. Firstly, the way it's set up is you see that the transit switch using the female power code, the wires the salt from mains and from the N and O wired together between these female core that you capture, and that is used to connect to the sump pump. You can see from this diagram, and all the nth letter where the utility powers or the main power you connect to the female the males power core that you can plug into your wall outlet. And then the other side is the ALS letter, where you use another male power code and then spin it together that you can plug into the influencer where you uh, the battery backup. So this application will not cost you more than $100. Simple, easy to set up. And what you need is a transit switch, two power cord, and a little bit wires. I hope that this information can help someone who want to set up like this. And that's pretty much. Thank you.